Nottingham Playhouse commissioned the Turner Prize winner Anish Kapoor to design a sculpture for outside the playhouse. Anish Kapoor was born in Bombay and moved to England in 1973. He studied at the Hornby College of Art and Chelsea School of Art in London. Anish came up with the design of a sky mirror, concave and set at an angle of 16 degrees from vertical. This will reflect the sky upside down at the front of the mirror and the correct way up at the rear. The sky mirror was manufactured in Finland from two 50mm thick solid stainless steel plates and welded together. Then a 6-meter diameter disc was cut and formed into a concave dish. The dish then came to T. Justi in England, a specialist polishing company, to produce the mirror. The polishing processes took just over 4 months of continued polishing to produce the mirror. This was achieved by rough sanding and then fine polishing processes, with grease compound mixed with very fine grits. The final finish was achieved by buffing and hand polishing with fine chalk powder. The sky mirror sculpture weighs nearly 10 tons. At all times the completed surfaces had to be protected from being marked, remembering that the 10-ton mirror had to be completely turned over and refitted on the turntable with polish on the convex side. The 6-meter mirror is fully welded to a single stainless steel support. These welds also had to be ground and mirror finished. The completed mirror was taken to Nottingham at night with a police escort. The massive sculpture was hoisted onto its final resting place of granite, using a 200-ton crane. The cost of the Sky Mirror project was funded in large part by the National Lottery through an Arts Council of England grant. The cost of the completed project was just over £1 million.